Yeah, man, bless the love, everybody. You know what I mean? Hope everybody alright. Hope everybody is having a wonderful time. Alright, here we know. I'm gonna post only for the money episode 1 and 2, just to put it in a one place. You know what I mean? Because some people like to watch the first part and the second part, just for, you know what I mean, keep it together, separate from I watch episode 1 and I look for episode 2. So this is for the new family members who are just a check in. This is episode 1 and 2 of Only for the Money. And guess what? Thanks to everybody who continuously support the movement, and thanks to be a part of my family, all right? So do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe, you know what I mean? And so you can know when a video is out and all these things, all right? So remember, say a family, me say, all right? Enjoy.
Should take so long for answer your phone? Hello? Oh, go on. You know, say, eh? I want to call you the depend. Oh, come did I call you before? Okay. Anyway, I want money me they call you for. Yes, man, just lend me one money or give me it. Give me it, because I don't know figure you back. Give me nobody lend me, because you're not going to get it back. I something want to go start out, man. I beg you to lend more money because you know the partner thing go already. Me have to wait. Because then say other people in it before me, so me have to wait till then give me for me draw. But would I give you back if you give me, you know? I joke me on it, man. Hold on there. Somebody a call me. Hold on. Me I'll call you back. Hang up, me answer that. What on, cuz? You want me to take care of her? Me no say no, you know. But all the money part I go. Because right now me in a whole heap of difficulties to sort out whole heap of things and can't get to sort out it. So, you have to go pay me. Me not tell no lie, although I'm my cousin. No, man, it rough out here, man, it rough. Things rough, it rough. More money to spend. Me know I'm my cousin, but you not have to give me the exact money where I give somebody else. Stop telling me about say if I know my family. Yes, I'm my family, but me want money to spend too. Hold on there, cuz. Hold on there. Would I really stay with her, you know? 18-year-old, and I'm my cousin. Yeah, me understand. Would I stay with her? Me understand what you're saying. But you know my place. She can't stay there. I want to go folk who me live in me and my man. You know a place already. I want to go folk who me and my man, you know him already. Yes. You know how him stay and me can't have one 18-year-old in there with him. Because I not trust him no tall neither. But me can get somebody. Yeah, me can get somebody for you. But you know money part, go you know money have to big. Okay, and your family that. Me I hear you. Yeah. Yes, girl. Alright. Me go talk to somebody when me know. And then me get back to you. Okay, alright, cool. Alright, yeah, me hear you, yes. Alright. Not like spend money, and that we do know. Fiona.
Come in, come in.
Hi, how's it going?
I'm good.
Alright, you can come in.
Yeah, about to take off your shoes.
So your place dirty bones to take off shoes.
Can I have a seat?
Fiona, may I ask if you can do a favor for me? I need a favor there. I know you can do it. So please nobody say no.
What's the favor?
I look about one little picnic for my family, then they overseas. The little picnic rude all of my cousin. And the people them are my family and they have money and not even dollar they won't give me. They say me and them are sitting if me can't look about my cousin. But you know fear. Because a whole heap of time me have a whole heap of important business when I could have start out and get a thing. And two my little cousin when I have to stay with, I not make no money. So here what I want you to do now.
Get to the point now.
Listen man. Why you rush me so? Listen what I answer man. I have to think first enough and I have to make sure say I go get money to give you. You understand?
This is business.
I work, I go work. Listen man. I just want to make sure say, because my family them I have to think first. Listen what I answer. I want you to take care of the youth. And you are going to take care of the youth. So then we pay you because you and them and the money. You not get the grief. Two me and them related then now pay me youth. But me and your friend. But me not go act like me and no friend. You see? But me must be your friend for a long time. So when you take care of you, and they get the money, because they won't give me the money to give you, because I tell them say, they get a job. So I can't bother stay with him no more. So I go look over the little picnic. But I need them to go send the money come get. So I get the money me give you, but you have to go give me a thing out there. You can benefit from it. Yeah. Beneficiary to the two of we. The two of we can benefit from it. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan. So why?
You're up to it or you're not up to it? Because me and your friend, we can use somebody else, you know, but two me and your friends a long time, I know say you know if you take care of me. So I that you take care of you. You go do it or you not do it. Because I'm serious right now, you know. If you not do it, you tell me I'm money this, you know. You want it or you don't want it.
So what percentage will I receive? So
Me not know they never pay me yet. So me can't know how much when you alright. You see if you say yes now, you are going to take care of the child. Me can go make the call and say me get somebody to take care of you. Then we know how much them are going to give you. Then me can make you know after what if you ask me something we don't know. What me I go tell you say? $1 million when I must say $1 them are go plan to give you.
Alright, I'm not going to say yes, I'm not going to say no, but
no, you have to say something right now because me need somebody to take care of a child.
Tell them so you get somebody. You hear me?
Me I listen.
Tell them so you get somebody and discuss payment with them and it's to get back to me from there.
They don't want to hear that. You don't know my family them. Don't tell them to tell them say. They serious just like me. Anything where they say, I eat they mean. Me have to make sure say me get somebody. As so they stay. Cause if me go say Ray blah blah, they not in that. They must say me if you get somebody else. You're in it or you're out of it. Which one? Then we pay you good enough.
Alright, me in it.
Me I tell us that then we pay you good. It's up to you, you know. Fiona, where you deal with?
Once money is involved and it pays so good.
Well, you gone run back on there. So
Yeah.
You know say for a long time, you know say you stay. So for a long time, when time you did smaller.
I love money, you know that. Boy.
No, but me love money. Everybody love money. Who can earn I love money. But the way you go on, my girl, like me no want to do it, but through the money me I go do it.
I don't have to do it.
You know,
it's
I
not my
it's
child,
up
I'm
to
my
you.
relative. Well, I said yes, so what's the problem?
Listen, but if you act like it, me no want you take my little cousin and they go on like you don't want to take care of
No,
her.
I will, man, I will. Let me tell you this. It's 18-year-old. They're not easy to deal with. Number 1, them love man. Number 2, them love man. Number 3, them love man. I have no problem with she coming to my place, but once she not carrying no money, that's fine.
Fiona, me, Priscilla, you talk to. A long time me your friend. Me a big woman, I am not a child. You don't know say. In your head long time say me must know about 18-year-old, but it's not every 18-year-old is the same. Some 18-year-old children will grow up. Them understand and know say if my mother left me with somebody, I feel be myself. Some yeah of course, I don't lie I tell. But the way you say love man, how you try to say about my cousin?
I don't judge, and I'm just saying. I don't judge.
Precisely, you are trying to make it look difficult. Like if you are home, she go and bring one man, and you don't want no man in your yard.
I'm not saying she's going to, but there might be a possibility. She might do that, but I don't want that. I'm just trying to bring
Fiona,
her
me know your style now. A Priscilla you talk to. Remember, a long time I know you. You see you? What goes around comes around. You see how stay with him. I don't want
So you're here to argue with me?
No,
I
say me don't want pert. No, me don't ask for no favor.
You want to leave more?
It's a job you get.
Okay, thank you.
I am not asking you for no favor. Because if you don't want to do it, I can get somebody else. Me just rather you do it with me and your friend.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know how you try to disrespect me and ask me if I want to leave now. What that for?
Because
I don't understand that part there. We are friends or we no friend? Fiona, for a long time you love insult me. Why you always try to insult me and talk to me like that? And you know something head no good.
I don't insult people.
No, but if you are, if I listen, me and you just walk in here so from the road, and me tell you say me want to talk to you about something important, and then you, me not even finish talk to you, you are gonna say to me say, if me want to leave now, what you mean? That mean you run me from your yard. And that you do. Don't insult me. Don't take me intelligence if you're foolishness.
Okay, Priscilla, stay there. If you don't want to leave, you stay, alright?
I don't understand this. So how it look like you take your work and a vex and they take it. I don't understand. Me I talk to you, you turn your back, you lie down. I mean in your place. I was saying on my yard.
Priscilla.
Insult me.
I'm not in a good mood.
Listen
You're trying to irritate me.
It look like you
I
and your
respect
man.
the
You know what?
fact
You know why me not go argue and cuss?
Why?
Because I don't beg me, I beg you, and I not ask if you no favor, like no favor like a free. You go take care of my 18-year-old cousin final. You go get paid. You understand? So somebody cannot give one word, not because me and your friend. You don't say a treat friend. And the worst of all, oh me and your friend shouldn't even talk to me so me there. Me not come to beg you nothing for it, you know. Not even one cup of water, me no want from you, because from you did much younger. Remember say me all you for a long time we do the liquor. You not clean. I mean no want nothing from you for eat, me not tell no lie, but two me know say you get bigger now and you start keep your place clean. That's why I want you stay with me cousin. Because I look like you change, but me no want nothing from you for me, I'm not rank with me. You can take care of my cousin, you're going to make you get the work and you're going to get the pay. What is your problem? It look like you see where you act? It look like you want the money first before me cousin even come to your yard. Me not like your style.
How you doing, sir? You go on, go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you've won a cash prize of $1 million. Yes, ma'am. All you have to do is send your account number, your name, and your address. Yes, ma'am. All you have to do...
Javi!
1 minute, ma'am. I will call you back in 5 minutes. What you do, yeah?
Javi, where you?
Brother, you know, sir, we have to live.
Nah, man. No.
But you know how much my rent right now? 20 odd thousand.
Brother, you move out of your place, you know. You must have a house, you know. Separate from Yasso. You understand me, I say? It's a nice apartment place.
Yes.
But anyway...
This is a safe space. Remember, say, you alone know some live here, sir, you know.
Right,
You alone know some live here, sir. Because I live a comfortable life. But I don't have no woman who bother me. I don't have nobody, my parents, nobody will bother me. If you should at least call me, say you come trip me.
Boy, I tell you. Boy, you right.
Me just need to go get a good chop out of one foreign woman.
Brother, man, and chop you up, you know. That me I tell you. I chop, you know, you going like, if you can't get chop.
Look at the phone.
Yeah. Vanity.
You know what say? Me, a choppy line, get me the phone. Then 2 phone. One iPhone.
So what you do with 2 of them? That's the first thing. 2 you have.
Yeah.
13, then 14.
Yeah, exactly.
So what?
Because I can't look.
One digital I want to flow? That? Brother.
No, what a digital, what a flow, and what a digital, and what a flow too.
Alright, but you also want to go on for the lane because I just come off for the road and think I have to myself, I come get a link because a long time I follow the road and stuff.
You know, say, I just the upstairs and I say, the woman there, come send me some money, so I just come around that corner, but you know, so I hear some upstairs though.
Oh, yeah.
When I tenant them, she cuss with the lady, but I never really hear argument good enough, but I hear them a cuss up there, but some girl that come move by apartment.
Girl that come move in the apartment, what do you mean by that?
I don't know.
Hold on, that one Rasta lady.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so I pass her and I say to myself, so what the hell she do up here? I want
you know her?
She not straight, you know. When we talk about not straight, it means that she always has some handle business. Anyway, I see her.
How kind of family she have?
Some hard-working family she have, but they don't trust her a certain way. So anything she up to right now is for something to make some money. I can't tell her that. So, but anyway, we say one new food, one young girl, one big woman.
I don't know exactly, you know, but me here so she rode probably like she have age, you know.
What do you mean have age? Like she ready for? Eh?
Yeah. You know where you are there, thing. Me already know you, you know.
But they know.
I never hear I just because we can hear. That's why I even come out here saying, because we can hear up them.
The conversation.
Yeah, because you win the right. That's why
okay.
Keep a
low profile.
But the hear argument, man, like you man wants some money for her family. So she has sent her cousin up here, so. But I hear conversation good enough.
Brother,
but
no. You not tell her already, say, fine, see she there run the place, some bandu. Because I say to her, so what you do up here, so? Because I know say something, but anyway, I hope everything work out well, but so, I didn't tell her when the girl reach her?
No. Probably
like
1 week or so. But you don't live up here where you mean you walk?
No, but I come
you don't come check me every single day for just some girl, you know?
No, you don't know I go there, we fractal there, you know.
But if you want a place, if you look at a place, you know, I can help you, you know. Because other day, I even rent out one night place, so I need as Airbnb, you know. You sure?
You know my place there, you know, in the country, alright. You know what I mean?
But if you know nobody?
Want a place?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
So everything good otherwise though?
Yeah, everything
you
good.
Sure?
Of
Brother,
course.
you for something, you know. The car something, you know.
Man,
Because me and Bridget, you think you can't catch Quack, they go catch you. You answer me and say, you have to eat for something. But, brother.
Alright.
Brother. Hungry your bang and do what you do, but do it safe. Yes, sir.
Alright.
If a big man can give me a thing still, you know.
Yeah. Big call when the person come, man.
Alright.
Because we know what you say. You have 5 baby man and you want the next one, thank God. Go about your business, man. Go about your business, man.
Alright, brother, we talk here.
Hey, me call back the woman there real quick, because I not lose $1 million because of the idiot boy, you know.
You go over here, so.
I like it.
You sit down here, so now. Nice to spot this for chill out. Yes.
I like up here.
Okay, Shanika. You know your mother want me to take you at my house. She says she wants somebody like me to take care of you. But the way she act like you're a 5-year-old. I know you're 18, but guess what? You know you're a big girl. I know when you reach certain age, you don't think about boyfriend and this and that and rare blah blah. But You see your mother there overseas, you don't know how hard she have to work to support you. I love you, my little cousin. I not tell no lie about you. You can't stay with me.
Why I can't stay with you?
Shanika.
But you have 3 rooms. Why I can't stay with you?
No. This is where they talk about. I'm a friend them place. So you don't know for me original house, you have 1 room, look like one full cup. Your mother know for me place where I live.
But
So
my
me
work and help you with the bills, so I don't see what the issue. Why I can't stay with you? It come like you don't want me to live with you. Just
I
tell me
live,
not
me no
feel
why.
no way.
Alright, listen me Shanika. Let me say Shan, because Shan me always call you from your liquor, but me know say Shanika your name. Listen, Shan, let me tell you something. You see if I did me one living at the little full cup where I live, I not tell no lie. No problem for you stay with me. But you are 18 and you see the man that me have, I don't trust him. I don't trust him a bit. I don't say if you go tell him back, so I say it. Kind of ignorant and dark and
I
fool.
do that in the first place.
I don't say you go do it, I just tell you if nobody mention it. I just tell you something, you know, because you're my little cousin and I know you're sensible. Listen
So
with me.
since you not keep me, right? I can't stay with you.
Me
I
tell you
don't have
already.
nowhere to go.
No, me
what
go
the
get
best
somebody, me have one friend that can make you stay with.
friend? A stranger that you know?
No, but she live somewhere good, better even when me stay.
What if she not treat me good?
If she not treat you good, well, we'll see about that after. Me will come for you or you phone me and tell me what I go on. But all me I beg you. Please, you see when you go there, no carry no man go yard. Because I go tell you one little secret. And my friend, you know, she named Fiona. I tell you about her friend now. She's a very nice person. You understand? But she jealous over everything and she miserable and old. She act like an old woman and she a young girl. Me not tell her lie, a long time me and her a friend. And me tell her say Fiona miserably. So everything vex her. She bawl over everything. She is very emotional. Yes. So you have to be careful of what you say to her because she easy to vex.
Okay.
But your mother supposed to send money come give me to pay she take care of you even though you're 18. When I say take care, nobody feel say I don't take care of you going on. When you understand me, and she go stay, so you have to understand the drift. You get me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So do, me I beg you. Me know you not know manners for a long time when you did little. But me and you are family, so me will cope with your dirty style them. But remember, you're not running nothing and she don't know you and you don't know her. Do me I beg you, please have manners to her. Because you see what you not do, she go add on it and me know she done. And you see what you do, she go tell me. So she go add on plus take off. It's like she do maths.
Okay.
Minus and addition. So be careful with her. You hear? Do. If you have one little boyfriend, remember, no carry him good eh. And if you, me not say if you have a boyfriend, but you reach the age where me know say, you know we think about this something, who to tell if you not have one man already. But be careful. Remember to use protection because me know why your mama turn overseas. And come call me on the phone and cuss me say, I me did tell you say, you fit turn with her. No, you go send her go give your friend. Because you know fear mouth big and loud already. And my mouth big, loud and dirty. More than fear. And me no want me and your mother have anything. And my cousin, close cousin, please me they beg you.
Alright.
Please, Shan, behave yourself. Just, if you even not innocent, act like you're innocent. Me know say I'm not good girl, you know, but me know me keep you with part me and me man
You make
there.
me sound bad. You make me sound bad.
No, but listen. Me know your style already, you know, Shan. Me know your style already, you know. But my friend, no know you, so me have to act like you're the best behaving girl in the whole world. So if you're not good, act like you're good. When you see she carrying her man them, cut your eye. Because she's very jealous. Because you see too, you look better than her. You're sexier than her.
Really?
You're hotter than her. You don't know who me attack. Me just tell her about do. Nobody go tell her about. My cousin say me look better than you because she go phone the same time and say come take you out her house. No laugh, what you have to say? I come like me alone and talk.
Fine, me go stick. Me not have nowhere else to go. You not take me obviously.
I'm not take me no want to take it to Francis.
Yeah. Me get it. Me go stay with her. Okay?
You go stay with her.
Okay.
Alright.
And me I go behave myself.
You go be
I'll try my best, yeah.
Try your best. Please. So guess what? And you alone, I want to carry going now. But me just don't want to stop right here so and talk to you because too much
That's
people
pretty
over
bad.
over there so full of people. And they're fast, they're inquisitive and nosy. I mean, I want them put their nose on because of business. Come on, that's what I tell you for right. Come on. But pure give me girl, me have to pick it. Come on. Come on,
You
come
love the
on.
mix up.
Yes. Fiona! Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
The reach.
I'm going to propose this. She made it at that table.
Hi.
So we can come inside?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
I'll take my slippers off.
Hello. Alright, I say you go live now. You're not come back with me. You're going to stay with her. I'm a friend for a long time. She might tell us if you take off your slippers out as bad as thing, she's not going to make you let it out of door. I not come to stay, you know. Yeah?
Before you go, I want to speak to you.
Oh, you want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Alright, come here, my little cousin. Come here. Come here, take care of yourself there. Alright, I can call you any little thing here. Alright, you know I love you already, man. Alright. Come now, Fiona, make it talk out yourself.
What you say, your cousin? She's 18.
Yeah.
So why for your clothes up so short? Make sure so she have manners and come in it.
Fiona.
You know, me stay, me head no good sometime. Me in it with a picnic.
Fiona.
And make sure so she have the man.
Fiona, please, don't start. She just come, you don't know nothing about her. Please, me I beg you, nobody start. No start it. She are 18. You can hear anything you want. She not hear me the door lock and she gone upstairs.
I hope so.
But she a 18-year-old, why she wear bother you? And it's like she a 14 or 13 or 12.
It's still too short. So my clothes long and me a big man.
Alright, don't worry about it, Fiona, man. Sure. Don't make me catch up over foolishness. Remember, say 18 at the age of consent. You can wear anything you want. She not working on man in your yard.
Well, I
Little
hope not.
more.
Alright, cause it's about to rain.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Yes.
Me call you.
Yeah, man. Worry yourself.
Alright, and I hope she could as out your son.
Sure, man. You're too miserable.
Hello, dear. What time is it now? You're still in bed?
What?
What time is it now?
What the problem?
It past midday.
Yeah, but what me have to do? Now my first day here.
What do you mean?
I'm my first day here, so what you mean? I'm morning, I have nothing to do.
Alright. This house, it has some kind of rules. Not really rules, but there are certain things I must do in this place.
I'm morning.
Yes, the house needs to clean.
I'm my first day here, I not mess up your house, so me fi clean up after you.
Whether it be first morning, second morning, or last morning, you must try to get yourself used to the place and active in the place.
Yeah, used to the place. No, used to the place, I get. But when you say wake up and clean, today is my first day here, I need to clean up after you.
The first day or your first morning, which one?
First morning, whatever they have to clean, that up to you. I clean my little ear with me there. So that you wake me up for?
Yeah.
For clean up after you?
After me?
Yeah.
But you're in my house, you remember?
I don't need for clean up. That's all you have to say? Because mother love to go back on my bed.
So
okay.
You're joking. You're trying to challenge me? I'm talking to
What
you.
you just do? What you just do?
What you just see? What you just feel?
Ma,
Get
what you
up,
just
get
do?
up and start today.
When I come here, I never sign up for this, yeah?
And
I never sign up for this.
for what?
Now put your hand on me. That you not do. As a matter of fact, I'm going to call my cousin and I'm going to reason with her about this. I'm going to have myself a shower,
You're supposed to.
go to the bar and
You
take
need
myself
it.
a drink.
You need to.
I don't need this from you.
You need a shower,
Guys,
go.
me if you put back my hand on you, you're sorry in this.
Funny. This is my place. Get used to me.
Say a word to me, man. Cousin, I have something to talk to you about. Your friend. What me do? Me not do nothing. No come jump down my throat. I don't know if she call you first and she tell you what she want to tell you and she add in and she take out, but don't jump down my throat. You see how I stay though? You see how I stay? May I try explain to you? I dey up at the house and I decide to me go leave and go get a drink or something because I not go sit down in a this with her. Alright, may I come? Which part exactly are there? Yeah, I'm there near this so. May I come? Yeah, alright, yeah.
Yes. Me know the girl good way I take care of her, you know. Yeah man, she take care of her. And me go look for her and everything and she look like she alright. Me just tell you. Me know the girl good way I take care of her. Maria, she not hungry, I must say mad. Anyway, you see the girl you take care of her, you have to make sure you send her money come give me to give her, you know. Because, I'm not telling a lie, I know her good, but she love her money. You see, once she stay there more than 2, 3, 4 days now, she dey look for her money. And she did it all long now. So you need to send the money right now. Send the money come give me now so I can give her. Because that the girl there, you know, one thing with her, you know. You will take care of me now, but she miserable when you come on to fear money, you know. So hurry up and send him, make me call it because the time they look get dark up like a rain soon come down and I will send it by the way. No, I forgot to tell you. Me not do MoneyGram. Send me a Western Union. Yeah, me go collect it now. Alright, little more. Yeah man, send you have all of my information and everything already. I wonder if me can go. A MoneyGram alone you can do. Alright, send you a MoneyGram. Me go collect it and try me look. Alright, cool. Later rain come down later. Call me back little more. Alright.
Call our cousin. Hello? Hello? Okay, how can I trash you come empty my yard gate? Your cousin me I talk about. Imagine say, me get up early this morning, me tidied the entire house. As the girl wake up, she mess up the entire bathroom. Me give her breakfast in bed. You know what the girl do to me? Take the food, come dash in my face and tell me say the food tastes bad.
May I come there? Me dey on one call.
Alright.
What you say?
Me I talk to her nicely. Me I try to be her friend. Me talk to her nicely. But she not no manners. And me not like that because you know me stay. Me very rent, me very feisty. And she had challenged me in my place. Me not like that. Me not like it. She too rank and feisty. Me I beg you please. Call your cousin and talk to her.
My cousin call you trash. Feel me cousin where you are stay with, Shanika. Call you trash. Dash sitting in your face and keep the bathroom dirty. But me no know Shanika them the kind of somebody there. No, Shan stay so.
Yes, sir.
She a clean girl. And my cousin me not take up for her.
Yes,
She clean. I mean, no she they do them they something to people. I not understand. What you talk about?
As a matter of fact, send me her number. I think me need her number. Send me her number. Calm down. I'll calm when the sea roll over.
Anyway, me call her back. Me call her back.
Yeah, man.
Me busy right now. Me go call her back and talk to you. Alright? Okay.
So she call me trash? Or she said me I call her trash? Which one? I hear her friends still, I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Yeah, man. Because I'm a little girl, I'm a this, I'm a that. And you ain't gonna believe because I'm young. And you say it yourself too, you know, you say it yourself. I not no manners. Yeah, man. So I have nothing to say. Good, man.
Shan,
Yeah.
you don't know if I believe her. So don't judge me wrongfully. Because I'll know me not say nothing to you. The girls say you throw stuff in her face. You mess up the bathroom, you keep the place nasty. And you disrespect her and one person. Me never agree with her, say you this and you that. No. Me not agree with her because I know me and her no hold a good steady the conversation here. You understand me?
Remember say, we know.
So me ask you one question. You throw something in her face? Me ask you one question. Me not say you do it, you know. Because me know you is not.
Listen to me.
Shan, just listen, me know you is not that type of person. But me ask you if you do it.
No. And you can't listen to me, you know.
Alright, one.
What me I say is, on my first night there, remember some of bed before I go to yard. I never need for bed because night did I come down. Right? I go to my bed. She come in the morning, wake me up. At what time are you still in bed? What time are you still in bed? Things need they in the house for do. So I say, what you mean things they in the house for do?
The first night when you stay there? That she said to you?
So wait now. Remember say, if I wake up in the morning and things in the house to do, are the things that she already used and messed
but
up.
if you did a play fool of yourself, you don't know, say she go call me and tell me all kind of stupidness about you. Because I know her dirty style them already, you know. Yeah. You now call me because you're well comfortable and alright. So me go feel everything they go on good there.
On my first night, like I say, it's my first night. She mess up her own house and expect me to wake up and clean up after fear mess. I never did go do that after I'm maid.
But I just few little weeks I did and you go tell me say the first night all of them is something that happened me just I know. If she thinks say she can use her head for me, for me make my cousin overseas send more money come give me on top of what she they give me for gear. She not gonna get no more than what me tell her say she a get.
What you mean? Like I say, I'm a first night, my dear. I never even get views or bathroom. I never bathe. Because I say I bathe before when you bring me go there. I never need to bathe in the night. I just go straight to my bed. So anything that she want me to clean up, when me go there go see me now clean up after now.
Don't worry about what she say for. Don't worry about what she say.
Not to mention she grabbed my ear, you know. I'm gonna touch her. I'm gonna lick her.
What you just say?
She grabbed my ear, I'm gonna lick her back. I just say, you know what? I'm gonna put on my clothes and come out of the house and I suck up my come out.
But you can't come out. The grab where she grab your ear, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Me will work on that part there for you. Leave that there in my hand. Because everything is well governed. And me, I run the show, not she. You stay her yard, she'll get paid for it. Stay there and don't come out. And she can't make you come up on the street without my consent. Because me left you in a fear and she will get in a big problem.
And the next thing, what you mean few days? I still ask about, what you mean yesterday you bring my
If
car?
you go to England and then lock up you, you go to prison. Then count night as one day, morning as one other day, in the evening as one next day. We are taxes. So every hour you do is for one day.
You
What
see
we are
you?
talking about?
You see you? You know one night I spend at the lady yard, but it's alright. You know where you up to, you know?
I'm not up to nothing.
You know
My
where you
cousin, just stay there. Anything we want, me will buy you. You're not even have to name from her. Because if she gone so far till she can grab you in your head, that means a war she'll look with you. So I definitely have to go speak to her about it. Before it get out of hand worse than this. Because I have nowhere else to put you in no more than this. So.
Good man, everybody always treat me bad.
You're not gonna know
No,
once.
but why you think me bad? Everybody
Listen.
me go around treat me bad. You notice I'm
Shan.
not there?
Shan, when I say everybody X me out tight because anything they run when they ever treat you
I
nice.
don't know because you bring me to a stranger yard.
Yeah, there again. Lord God, talk about it. I know say she a stranger to you, but she's not a stranger to me. And because I know her, that's why I make you can go stay there. So, she remember say a little piece of foul cook me live in here. I can't make you come stay with me, I tell you before. It's a me that I stay with. You understand me? So just stay there some hold on until me find somebody else where you can stay with because that girl, you not even know who you have to deal with, you know. Just humble yourself, man. Humble yourself, humble can't suck the most milk. Just be yourself, me know who you be. I know you're not dash nothing in her face and I'm not going to take up fear. Now tell me, say, I'm a friend, I'm not going to listen to you. Remember, say, you did say that, you know. Say me I go believe she because you're bad this and bad that. But not go so. You're my favorite cousin. Just stay there so for a little while until me start out certain things. Then me move away from there so.
You know what I say? I'm 18 and as much as all the things I'm bad, the most my bad would have to fight in a school and thief a little bit. But I'm a virgin, you know. I never have a boyfriend before. And it would have better, much better if I did have a little boyfriend or three. One for keep my comfort, one for help me financially, and one for support. You know?
Shan,
Just listen,
no,
listen to
you
me,
just
man.
listen because you look like you want to mash up my plan. And I scam me now. Some mind what you do. You understand
say
me?
you scam, but me I say if me have a little boyfriend or something, we could have rent somewhere.
Boyfriend, then if you
go
go there with boyfriend and mash up my plan. Shan, take out boyfriend out of your head.
What kind of plan you talk about?
Listen to me. I have a plan. As soon as the plan start out, I take you from that girl yard. And I left from the folk when me there and rent a bigger place where you're more comfortable and we stay right there. So we live lavish.
I understand, but me just say it better if me did have somebody for myself. You have somebody for yourself.
Shan, you're my prettiest
but you
cousin
have
and you're
somebody
sensible.
for yourself, though. Me
Cause
don't have, but me don't have nobody when me want somebody for talk. Me don't have no boyfriend for comfort me or nothing like that.
Why you don't go on your knees and pray? You think a man can comfort you alone? It better you go on your knee and pray to God and God will give you all of the comfort you want. But it's not easy. And you have me if you call. You're not calling me. You did sit down and listen to this little dry foot girl when me appear for you stay with her. Call me anytime you feel left out, like you don't have nobody. Your mother now come back to Jamaica for now. I'm me responsible for you. Me go they make you stay there so for a while with that idiot there.
If I hear a friend of you or something.
No,
anyway.
she was my friend. Me and her did break up for a long time.
Okay.
Long time. But we talk back. So me and her not that close again, but show me know her and she have this space. Yes. That's why I make you say this. So.
Fine.
But me sorry for everything will happen between you and she. But you can call me. Me your big cousin just call me. Call me, man.
For comfort me, cause
Yes, I will dear all the time. Just call me. And any she put back her hand on you about she grab you in your head. Make sure you call me because I know me and her go have it out right there so you left from her yard. I'm serious. Is it like contact with me in a fall cube or me find somewhere else No, you better make you find somewhere else and stay because my plan will mash up.
Still no want me stay there. But anyways, it's
I no stay, me no want you stay
Alright,
with
make
me.
it stay.
Me just
feel
whether
no way.
you see right here now, if you're not staying with she, you cannot stay with me. You have to stay with somebody else. Because my plan will mash up.
Okay.
Young boy don't understand, you know. I don't understand. I have a lot of plan. Me just not really not ready to explain me and tell you it. I'm a matter of fact, that the plan that me can't tell you neither. Rain a come down, you hear thunder roll. Guess what? Because get up and come on. Me don't send you around. You understand? Me don't send you around. You know.
Whatever, it's fine. Whatever.
Sit down. Me I go sit down for a while. Just go on round. Go on round to her. And make sure you find something for it. If me not come check you later, you check it tomorrow or one day in a week. You know, so me is a busy person.
With all of this way up, listen to me. Come around at the house and talk to it. Because me will damage it as little as my body is. Me will damage
Nobody
it.
put yourself in a no problem.
You
Alright,
hear me?
you know what you're with me. Don't put yourself in a no problem. Do. Me dey beg you. Go on.
Alright.
Yeah man, later. Later my cousin, you look nice do. Always keep up your body good. Nobody go keep no boyfriend you know. Oh. I go and call this girl. This girl must think say go mash up my plan. This girl must think say she go mash up my plan and make me not get all of that the money they from overseas from my cousin. You're mad? Alright, later. I know you may talk to man and something me I try remember something. I know you everything good. Yeah. You think more on my side to make it call. Oh, she gone, you know. Let me call this a white witch of Rosalia. Wicked. Hey, I wonder why the phone ring and she not answer. Hello, Fiona. Yes, back to you now. I told me they busy, they do something. What you say now? What did I say about my little cousin? How she dash things in your face and bathroom nasty where she keep untidy and all kind of. What you say? What you mean? What you mean? Say you dey talk to me and me never want to hear you. Me they tell you say me I go, girl, I want man me meet and me when sit down and I want nice little cool shady round one table they talk to one man and they have little juice. You idiot? What you talk say? Fiona, me know your style. And if you go tell no lie for my cousin, nobody start it. Because I'm not going to kill my cousin because you rather take her from your yard. What you mean? Okay. Okay. You want the money. So what happened between you and my cousin? What happened between you and she? My cousin, even though she cannot stay with me because of the little piece of foul cob, as me tell you 1 million times. 1 million times. Eh? What? My cousin not stay so. Fiona, me know you a long time a lie they tell upon her. Me not see her yet to talk to her about it, but a lie they tell. She not do it. She will move to come grab you up and fight you, but a lie they tell. Oh God. All of them there's something there you say she do? Shandy, all of them there's something there? Me don't know, but me just not believe. Nobody chat about blood thick and water in this. Because no blood in this, neither water. Ungo me and you. Ungo me and you in it right now. I pay you to take care of my cousin. Me not pay you to take disadvantage of her. And I hope when me see her, she nobody tell me say you and her in a nothing and you go do her anything, you know. Because you know say for me head sick. Everything what you just tell me. Me don't believe you. Me disbelieve you. Shani's not like that. If you mess around her, she wants to grab you up and fight you. She not dash nothing in your face and when you chat about nasty, what you mean? My little cousin are the cleanest somebody ever come off your yard. Because not if God knows. God forgive me if they go say this and not disrespect, but I truth a reality. Right now, Shan cleaner than you. Because me make you know about cleansing. You say, Brighty, girl, me can't talk to you anyhow. Remember, say me I pay you to do it. Liberty come through carelessness, you're damn right. That's why when you mama say you no go to school, you no fi take on no book and subject, you wouldn't have to turn with people picnic. Big shan you have to turn with. Like a kindergarten you run. And who tell you fi no subject? Me? Back at the class you did this. Sorry. Anyway, when the time comes for you getting money, I go collect it and care come you. And please, may I ask you, take care of Shan. Please. Take care of her. And me have to go leave right now. Alright, little more. Yeah. Damn bright.
Javi! Hello.
Hi.
Me a second. My name is Public, but I have a friend named Javi living here. Do you know if he's there?
I think that's the guy that lives right here because it's only one guy who lives on the complex.
Yeah, okay.
But I don't know him for talk to him.
Okay, but you new here, not true? Like it.
I'm staying here. It's literally just cause it's my first day here.
Wow.
Because I came yesterday in the evening.
My God. Let me reintroduce myself. My name is Public. You know, but they call me Public, but my name is officially Kemar. You know what I mean? And your name is?
It's Shan. But
Shan?
I'm really not in a good mood to
I can
talk.
see that, but guess what now? You see, sometimes in life, it's not about the mood, it's about the vibe and the energy. Because look at it now. I'm not supposed to see you, I'm there to talk to you. Why? Because the energy is supposed to be, connected right there so today. You understand what I say? But then again, what can put a pretty girl like you in a bad mood?
Life just love, okay?
Life. Live life alone, man. You have to live it. You have your life. I bet you a small life and make your life rough. And you have your life. What you do with that? You understand me? I say you can't focus on them energy, but as I said me there now, and I wanted this with my friend just to have a good conversation with. I look like you know what I mean, fit that perfect space.
I see.
You understand? So let's start from the beginning. So who the hell can put you in a bad day today? Eh?
Honestly, I don't want to get into that. That is a whole another twisted scenario.
You have a hot date? You
They,
have somewhere going? Talk to me, man. 'Cause I guess I know it's in life. It's something you have to find that source to release that energy. You understand me? I say? 'Cause you need to let it go. You can't hold on on it. No, it's what? You see places that look cloudy. Don't take up the the atmosphere's energy. I mean, talk to me, man. So what could I actually be triggering off this negative vibe?
well, it's gonna rain soon, so we can't stand up in the rain and talk to you about that.
It's a better way. Find some shade, ain't you?
Sure.
You sure?
Like me say, it's a twisted scenario, So, if you want to know the story, you'll be sitting for a while. Alright, listen. I stay with somebody right now, so it's a person's place, right? But other than that, I'm lonely. I don't have a partner. I've never had a partner, and I just want somebody to talk to about my problems, to cuddle with every now and then, and somebody to hear me for once in my life. I don't have that. I have nobody.
You see me? You can't see me? I'm invisible. Me invisible?
You're such a joker.
Because exactly this is what you need. Sometime in life you have to understand that the connections happen because I just said it. You understand me? I say? Sometimes the only thing you really want is a little hug. Come here. Come here, tell you something. Come here, man. Something you want is a hug,
A big question. Are you even single?
For you, what do you think? I'm gonna be honest. As a man, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna go and let me go around the bush and say me this and me that, but I'm connected to you for some reason. You understand what I say? And there's no doubt about that. You can, I know you can feel the vibe.
A little.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? So sometimes you have to follow the vibe, the mood, and Just make nature just flow like the river.
Okay.
You understand?
So,
So who are you upstairs right now?
alright, so she left. She's supposed to come back by 7 o'clock, so we'll have some time to talk. You want to come in and chill?
Come and talk now. Have a long conversation.
Okay.
Alright? Wow.
Oh, stop looking at me.
Jesus. Are you room there?
Yes, my room. Like it?
Yeah, man. A nice space, man. Bed firm?
It's firm enough.
Firm enough?
Yeah.
Better. Oh, man. No. So, yes, you go on. So, hold on. So, nobody not come catch me.
No, she gone.
She gone, you sure?
Yeah.
So, what time she say she come
But
back?
you can't worry, so she gone.
No, man, what about you?
Normally she come back about 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock is her first day.
Yeah.
Your
But
phone that?
I know what she do.
Are your phone is going for you?
Mm-hmm. Lord, God,
You
you're
sure
so
she call you back?
so jumpy.
No, me
Relax.
just
Relax.
look on your lips then. Lord, me just want to know say if me there enjoy myself, you know what I mean? She
Stop
don't catch
worrying.
me. You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Alright. You ready?
So you say,
You ready?
a long time.
Jesus, long
Been
time.
a craving.
Me?
Yes, but I kind of feel insecure.
Insecure more.
Because
Why you close my door? Pull the door. Pull the door. This is not your door to be closing. Pull the door.
come in, come in. Because it's not that long, you know. And I'm rolling up, look.
Make sure you don't go out the road, you know?
Man, I'm not just meet you too. Who will tell? Sure.
Myself, you know?
Yeah, girl, are you that?
What is going on here?
What do you mean?
It's my friend. Him do locks, him normally do my locks.
You can't do your hair better than that.
When I gave you permission to carry your friend to do your hair in my house,
You have to do ear or not? Hmm?
I gave you permission.
What's going on?
You can excuse, please? Just excuse.
You must make your man this. Yo,
Where you go?
Yo, call me.
Say you have to make people make it.
Call me, girl.
That's what you do? Yes, what you do? Excuse out of my room.
Seriously?
I'm not argue with you. Come out of my room.
No, you're pushing your look, right? I need not re-entertain my house. Hear that? And your friend look like a little ray.
Amen.
I'm sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable. Please leave a message after the tone.
Like, seriously? Seriously, public, it's been a week now. It's been a week and I haven't heard a word from you. You know, answer none of my calls. You know, return my call. You don't reply to my message. I'ma know that this would have happened. I'ma know. This is why I never did want to get nobody in my life. I'ma give you the chance. And you see, it is like you disappoint me already. I'm not hear from you. And you know, so you take my virginity. So I must be attached to you. But that's what you did want. That you did want, so you can just have it and then cut down it. You know? You see, if you decide to call me, no matter. No matter. Because I know what you're looking from you. I'm done. A big disappointment, this thing, I swear to God. Hello? Cousin? No, it's fine. I kind of want to talk to you about something. Yeah, my other house you can come over. And I'm not nothing. I'm not paying no mind. It's fine. But I just want to talk to you about something important. Because obviously, nobody can come to you. Yes, you said that. The bank? I do what? But that sound like a big loan you take out for you, go bank go take loan. Look how much other loan places there in the vicinity. Anyways, which bank you there? Alright. So about 10 minutes time I see you? Okay. Just come in and by the time I say you come and you don't come because you do me this before. I actually want you. This is important. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, love you too.
How they left this gate open? They're not afraid dog come in and I'm not lucky. So I come see it and so I left it. Eh. I didn't know this place here. Alright?
No, not really. I just want to talk to you about something.
Come to you. Come outside, contact me.
You don't want to come in? No, you're not alright, come. Because you're not like in our house already. I can't take a problem.
Come.
Now, she might tell me, say, you're not visit no more, so I can't do that. You know, she leave lantern.
Lock it door. No business is she up there. I'm not turn right this one chat. Wall a chat, bush a chat, everybody have ears and a chat. We have to know where a chat. Say, I don't know the we don't know who will listen. So what going? Come to you.
I don't know how to say this.
Something she do to you again, or she say something to you?
I know I can't take care of myself when I eat that. But I feel like I do something stupid.
Like what?
You talk to me, you know. But I feel like I do something stupid. And now I'm in a situation where I feel sick. I'm gonna know if
You want to go doctor?
But I meet this guy, right? And it can be one
Can
out.
be what? Look here. Talk for the talk. We are tap so much time and I chat about me meet this guy. What is the problem? What you talk about? We not come out straight and tell me everything straightforward and stop buck and stutter like your stomach. Your stomach all of a sudden, what is wrong with you? How why the girl cook overnight food and give you your man and your belly hurt you or you feel
I
sick?
can't
You
know where you stay, man. I know why you're rough, me.
what you
now.
done? You more dirty overnight food that she cook
I
from
meet
when?
one guy and me and him sleep. I'ma feel bad. I'm gonna know which one out I two feel bad if I something him give me or I'm pregnant.
You talk or you stop talk? Cause it
Me
come like me
stop
not hear what you
talk.
just say.
Me s-
What you just say about meat guy? Did you say meat guy out of your stupid mouth? When you meet this guy, you did turn your back to him? Eh? You turn your head or you turn your side? And now your front part you turn to him? Eh? You turn your front game and now you talk to me about guy. You don't go turn. Which part of you turn to me? I mean you talk to already guy. Alright, stole them this up.
Me I look for you.
You look for
But
me.
me know you don't react this way. Me open up there and look how you deal with me.
Open up. I know me you open up to is the guy where you meet. Listen to me. That's why you're sick. Open up to me. You could never open up to me. Because if you open up to me, I shut your box today. You lock up back. And put me out. You understand? Me can't believe say this you do. So I'm me you left all of the blood of Jesus. Hold on there. I'm me you left all of the problem for now. Eh? You leave all of the problem for me now. So when for your mama, eh? Hear them a kind of story. Yeah. She say, oh, me let out the people way, no responsible. Look here, little girl. You know what I notice you don't know? When you no reach the age of 18, you no feel say, yeah. Government say, me reach the age of 18, so me have the consent to go do what? S, E, that X. Look here, girl, if I lick your fart. What they talk about? Little girl, Missy say you want to put me in a problem. You want to put me in a problem. So let me ask you one question now. This guy, I look like that the guy that have no name. Mr. No Name, where you meet, is the first time you meet this no name guy and go sleep with him? Unprotected? Did you sleep with the guy unprotected?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jesus, come down here and deliver me, Father God. If I lick a little girl here, eh? If I lick your whole of your teeth, them drop out of your head. After me talk to you, you they go put it to me now and tell me, say, it better me did have one boyfriend. Yes, where boyfriend gay, and he not even look like a fear man. Because you could never ever meet one man for the first time in your life and you go warn him about your man. And then, me know we are woman. Things can happen. But how the hell you never think to use protection? Whether for the first time, second time, third time, or last time, the first thought should have come in your big old dirty brain is protection. Because right now you don't know what you know. You don't know if you're breathing. Eh? You don't know if you're breathing or if you have known disease. And you say you're 18 and they go on like you're big. Who to tell if you know, if you're in a nasty up girl bathroom for you, eh? And dash things in a woman's face. Hmm? Because me I wonder how long, cause Jesus Christ. Me I wonder how long you chat to this man that's as you seen so you go have unprotected whatever with him. Like seriously? Really? No, I can't use this. Somebody must say this. I know for me little cousin this way, me know long way so sensible and smart like that. You don't know, say you really fi use protection, Shan. You not even know where you make a run through my head now. Shanika, Like seriously?
Everybody make mistakes, you know.
Eh.
You see why we 18-year-olds don't talk to uno big people about things like this? Imagine, you know some have nobody, I'ma tell you this already. And you say me
Oh, so you not have me?
No, that's not what I'm saying. But me have you, and look how you deal with me. And you tell me say me can come to you. Any little thing at all, me can come to you for comfort and for advice. I'ma come to you about this. Remember say no.
Stick up in.
No, you listen
You
to me
need
for
to
once.
stick up in. Me tell you say anything. You can't come to me. When you meet the man, did you come to me? No, you go ahead and go use and do whatever with yourself. Use yourself with this man. And then go and talk. Let me see how far you can the story go. Go and talk, because when you meet him, you should have come to me and make me advise you in the right way. Say, okay, yes, you reach the age, so make sure you say you use protection. No, you do what you want to know, you come and complain. And they say me did this and me did that, and that's why you don't like whatever. Look here, 18. You reach 18. You have the age, little girl, but it's not mature. What again? You don't talk?
So you so perfect?
I am not perfect.
Remember
I
say
do
me,
make
mama,
mistakes.
say me
But
know
what
about
kind of
you,
mistake? You're not a child. You're adult now, you're 18. That's why you should have known better. No, you don't know how pack up in your look here now. Make me cuss today, you hear
Look
me?
how much mistakes you make in your teenage years. Remember say me know about you and your life story, you know?
Your ear say you cannot know about me.
You tell me too. Say you're not perfect.
Me not perfect, but you don't know what everything what me
me
do in
say
a real life.
everybody make
And when me
mistakes.
tell you, I'm good that you can talk about.
But
You
at
understand
the
me?
end of the day, cousin, everybody
So why you
make
never learn
mistakes.
from the mistake them when me tell you say me making in my life? You go make worse than when me make.
You can be vulnerable too, you know?
Yes, of course.
And I
Why
was.
not? Me know. And me understand.
Remember say my
But
virginity in text and I like say a long time me I do it.
that make it worse. That make it worse. You should have know better. You make him take your virginity. I never make no man take my virginity. I give it to them. I know them take it. Hoy, you think you have a roof over your head for yourself? Eh?
All me, you know, never again me go come to you about nothing.
I know that.
As a matter of
Hide everything from me.
As a matter of fact, thank you for your advice. Me appreciate it. Have a nice day.
Shan!
What?
Your attitude stink.
And your love what you give to me stink.
Worry yourself. Make sure you see your non breed.
How I go on so?
No stop with me now. Don't stop with me. Where's me in a good mood?
How could I cause all of this? I miss. Money no come yet. Afternoon. You're speechless?
How you call me? You forgot my name. All of a sudden you forgot my name. After so much years me and your friend until now. My name disappeared out of your memory. Okay, miss. What you say now?
The money come, the money reach. Talk to me now.
How much do you know my cousin there had?
7 days. And it has been hell for me. Living hell.
I like how you now go ahead and stay at hell. Let me tell you something. This 7th day, when my cousin stay yard, me and you did hold on conversation say every week I get here and me this a fortnight. Which one? It look like you're not here good, Fiona. My cousin not send the money yet. What you want me do? Eh? What you want me do, Fiona? Sell me front and carry money come give you in a 1 week time and a 2 week you work to get paid for? You bravey. And let me tell you something. You see, when the other 7 days come, that go be 14 days. So you see, when me go collect the money when my cousin send it, and me carry come give you, make sure you say you give me one little thing out there because you did a dead for your grand and me give you work. So if you rate me like no friend like that 100%, you
But I talk nice, show you hear about money. Show you talk about money, just relax yourself. 7 days and so what? If he like 6 years, 7 years, up here stress enough.
I just want
Hey, come talk about sell the body. Whether you want to sell your body, your front or your back, me no business. I don't care. I just want my money.
Fiona, tapping eyes. Me tell you that you know. Every minute me come in your yard, you make your neighbor then hear say me come here. If you don't want me as no good best friend anymore in your life, for all of what me do for you, how much years now you come and treat me like I say me and nobody. Fiona, me not have to come in your yard, you know. Me look for my cousin there. Let me tell you something. Fiona, you know my style already. I can't easily take my cousin from your yard, but I call my phone every minute and I chat about. When me tell her, say my cousin say she want to leave you, I chat about. No man, make you stay because you're not work. No, you're come go on like you're there on top. Just show me give the little job. And this me. Fiona, you can't style me. Fiona, this is AKA Priscilla from downtown. Yeah, and me say money. So I don't know what you're talking about. Because right now, you know, I take my cousin from your yard, you know, you see when I come back and ask for another job. Because you know your style already, you know. Remember, see your man dash you out, you know. Remember, see your man
You don't talk. You don't write the
Me don't
episode.
talk.
You don't
No,
talk.
me can't don't talk about you because your life story in my hand like a book. You're out here,
Next chapter, please.
Next chapter.
Anything
When you
else?
diss me again,
Anything
next
else?
chapter we come out. Tap from this every time we come to your yard.
Me
Because
nah
you used to
diss-
come to my yard,
me-
come big, me flour, sugar and rice.
Me
all
nah
fast.
this. At least me stop big. Proud, so me stop big.
But big woman like you, I come to my yard enough time in and me sleep. Y'all wake me up in the night for your cook out.
So you're here to remind me of my past.
Yeah, because look there, all onion you used to beg. Onion, simple onion.
You want it back? You want it back?
Everything when me give you, me give it to you with a willing heart. And not something like me I talk about the Fiona. But every minute me come here, they style me. Then me no more
Me
style
not
back.
style. You just need to understand me. Friendship and money no work. Friendship is friendship, business is business. They must know that some love money. Not because me and your friend and me say, oh, Priscilla, welcome. No, it's business. When a friendship time, a friendship time.
Fiona, you know,
Me not hype on you,
So
but I mean this.
hype on me, Fiona. I hype on me. So true because of money make you style me so much time. Me and style. Me Priscilla. AKA Priscilla from downtown. Remember, say Redills me used to live. Look here, girl.
Yo.
You top from style me.
Style and style can't spell. Go your yard. Rain or fall. You know what I leave.
You see it? I run me.
But
And if me take my cousin from your yard, you did fit on.
take her. If I want to take her, you take her. I don't really care right now because
know
I
how
don't really
much-
like her in the first place. If I want to take her, you take her. You
You
understand?
not
I
like my
like
cousin?
me not like her, I not like problem. If I want to take her, you
Oh.
take her. I not hate her, but I not like her. Deal? If I want to take her, you take her.
Fiona, let me tell you something. You see any more deal, me come to your yard and you feel say you can style me as though the devil tell us if you style me. And you feel say you go get away with it. Fiona, let me take up my things them from out of your yard.
So that's a threat in my
me
place.
tell you
That's a
something.
threat?
It not go so.
So you're threatening me in my place?
That is not a threat, it's a promise. And anytime me come back, if you feel me, I'll take my cousin too. And you're not going to like what me I go do to you. Hey, girl, let me tell you something.
Just leave. For crying out loud, just leave.
Let me tell you
It's
something.
best to leave. Just
Look here, look
call
here.
me if any. Just
Look
leave.
here. You see this? Don't bother take it. Give me cousin when you go up there. When you go upstairs, give her it. And anyhow, she tell me say you give her lesser than $1,000 because I did the right. So I talk to her about something important about overseas because she soon go. Right now, I look about her visa. I did there so they talk about her visa. She soon gone left your yard. You can't sell my cousin too long.
I don't need $1,000.
Me not
I can't show you money in my bag. I don't need $1,000.
Then Fiona, like how you have money. Why you run me down for money and if I nine up for me? This is say you're not a good friend.
Money can never be enough, darling. Every day
You
is
say
something.
you're not a good friend. Make sure you say you give me. You know what? I can't bother with you.
I still love you, baby girl. Give me a hug. You know what's something? Give Oh, wait, they're breeding in my house?
$100.
Your cousin said I should give this to you. $100.
My cousin would have never looked at me and give me $100. My,
Stop,
yo,
stop,
don't
stop,
ramp with me
stop.
now. Take your nose out of my face. When me look like Pitney, why would my cousin send me $100? Take your nose. You didn't hear what I said.
Lower your
You didn't hear what I said. Hey.
Hello? Hi, babe. I'm okay. How are you? Okay, that's nice. What I called to ask you, by chance, did you pass through like during this week? Yeah, I know you told me you're not in the country. Are you sure, babe? Why am I asking? Well, nothing much. It's like there's a situation that I come across, and I'm just trying to make sure you're not involved. Yes, babe, you can trust me. That's just it. Okay, yeah. Alright, enjoy your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, love you too. Alright, later. I don't trust this man. I cannot.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the contribution. We will send you the package in 6 business days. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your contributions of every single dollar that you have sent. Yes. All you have to do now is clear the...
Still that?
All you have to do to clear the package now is to send 30,000 US dollars. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Goodbye. Where are there? It come like every single day. You just want to catch me and do something.
Brother. What mean, say? You still do them something, General?
Of course, me start doing this. Yeah, how me I make one living? You think you realize me drop out of school?
Just do it, do it.
Alright, let me give you money, because you move foolish sometimes.
No, man.
No, holy.
Me alright,
Brother,
man.
holy money.
No, man, you work
Brother,
for
holy money.
You work
Brother,
it, you keep it. Me don't come for
Brother,
that.
the woman I go say me 30.
Me come to tell a story.
Before you tell me a story, hold this now.
Let me
Myself
take
and
this
drink,
thing,
man.
cuz.
Easy.
More the merrier.
Easy.
Listen. You remember one thing you can tell me one story about? One girl that come up here. Who do you believe me say me come check you?
What you talking about?
Yeah, come check you. And put me there gate. She claimed, me know say I must she, I see him one. So she didn't know and me did talk to her and thing.
Why, you catch her up on the road?
No man, right as she come in. And the girl, all left me some voice note and I called me how much weeks. But me get through, me do one thing.
My brother.
Yo! But
So-
the girl can go on, you know? The girl can
So
go on,
wait.
man.
We're going with you on.
What do you mean, so I'm going to me? Yo, the girl, take me up the stairs there. You understand me? I said, dangerous. But I know I want them easy come one day thing there. I don't know
But
girl what
you
to
know what
think
say,
about.
yeah.
Eh?
Wait. So wait. A girl come in a matter of few days, you had to get it.
Well, brother, I don't know if it was just the moment in time. Because sometimes, it's the best, it's timing. But I was on the perfect timing. And she just...
So wait, I have
share
one
me
question for you.
upstairs. Eh?
You use a condom?
Well,
What you mean? No bother with that.
condom on I...
No bother with that.
Condom on I bus, but I couldn't reach back down there.
The man I say condom on I, but yo, you mean
Brother,
you want to have a sex with me?
I
You
know
must say you
my-
have 5 baby mother, you know.
4. Yo, easy, man.
What you mean 4?
4 baby mother.
Keisha,
Mhm.
Lisa.
One of them a jacket and a finish. We are talking about a jacket that.
We know it damn well say that.
Look for
Well,
me. Look
all
for
right,
me.
all
And
right,
it fit the
all
white
right.
like a chalk. I know for me that.
But I do DNA test and it come
No
back to
man,
you.
no man, you have to do it DNA test. Brother, look for the pick me once in a
But you
look,
still a mind
look
do.
for the head there. And your
Yes.
head lick like a. No,
You still a mind do.
No, I'm not really minding. Right now.
Alright, I
be
mean not
probably
even want
she
to talk
have.
too loud, you know, cause
Yo, but me I tell you say, that girl she go on good man. But that's just a one time thing. I don't know what me have to take serious
one time
like that.
thing.
You know you go already. You know what I mean? We a chopper. You a chopper. You know what I mean? Me a
Me
chopper.
a
too.
chopper.
Ain't no stopper.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So just send me. She look good.
Yeah, man, she nice, man. She decent. But you don't see her yet. Brother.
You can't.
If you see that
If
girl
any,
there.
you should have told me. You should have found out if she had no sister or no cousin or nothing like
We
that.
never have them time there. Cause me I tell you, say the way the girl run on for me, it's like a she a look me. Yeah, man, came upstairs fast and I ready to take. At first, you know, I said to myself, I'm going to put on my game and, you know, give her some lyrics. But I realized that the girl don't want the lyrics. Only thing she wants to know, say, is that, you know, me up to what she up to. You understand me, I say? But that me come to this still.
You know, say most them kind of girl them bad still. So.
No, that me I tell you, man.
They moral, it might not even be say she didn't want to do it anymore. Well, she most likely just want to cause some kind of trouble, you know. So nobody get herself in no problem.
Brother, me say she a call me, I'm going to answer the phone. And that me I tell you. 1 week now, she a call my phone and I'm going to answer it.
Jaja.
You understand me? I say, yeah, stress me. All enough time there with baby mother. She a call me.
You mean that they around your baby mother? You
Yeah, you know me.
You say I talk to your baby mother?
What you mean?
Which one?
What you mean?
Which
One
one?
of them, Keisha, Patsy, Munchie.
Jaja.
We have to link them up. I want them have them, man. Me still running.
And them the mother and broke your pocket. That's why you not no money.
No, you don't have to look for another way there.
That's why you not no money.
No, you don't have to. Well, see there, thank God for a friend like you. He just give me 3.
You know what?
Count it. You give me 400 US. You know what I mean?
Well,
I'm
it's too,
grateful.
because me have some more money at home.
Respect, man. So me I talk about that's when I have to come check you. You know, for me I come from, I say, yo.
No, give me back that, because you give me back.
No. Give. You give it already. Don't want to take it back. Okay, now. Yo, that's it that we go over iron and the hacker we go over iron. You give and take back, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, Jesus. What I did.
So, basically, she'll call you. So what, going in her contact her?
Yeah, man, I done with that, man. A one-time thing, I'm telling her. In and out.
So what is she pregnant?
What do you mean she pregnant?
No, I ask me.
No, man.
Nah, call them for you.
Come like I call long for me,
Nah,
brother.
call
Yo,
them.
easy, man. I feel more to goat mouth, you know. You have goat mouth, brother. Yo, I'm not the pan.
Brother,
All month of
Mama say you have 5 feet, you know.
Yeah, but you don't have to call and sit there, brother. You tell you
I
talk sitting
call
there.
on it, but every
The
single...
same thing happened to Keisha, you know. You call long pregnancy upon Keisha and Keisha
Brother,
breathe.
and me tell her 3 times, said, don't do nothing with Keisha.
No,
Keisha a mad girl, she not no sense, don't do nothing with Keisha. Same thing with Patsy, same thing with Lisa.
You don't know about the mad girl them. And then good
You lucky say,
and then good underneath.
you lucky say Kendra never had no picnic for you.
Well, Kendra alright, because Kendra come like she on one different medication.
She still want to link you, don't it?
No, she must stay far from me, I can tell you that. Point blank. I don't know what she does. You understand me? But anyway, because you look dark, you know, I'm just going to link you. And thanks for the contribution. Continue the way I do. Because if me I get a little bit out of time, I can't stop you.
But me once, alright. If me I give you money, you have to give me something in return. You know. As a friend, you know, I'm not even demanding me just a say.
So what you want?
No, girl, whatever you want.
Alright, I line up something for you, man.
Alright, but
I line up something for you, man. Because you know, I have a little move to make next week. I go line up something for you. Know yourself.
But just make sure say she not make sure say
I want her fat or slim.
How about that, man?
Huh?
You already know else. but the thing is, you know, nobody make the girl pregnant, you know.
No, man, you know. Yo, top call on.
Me not calling.
Yo, look on, respect. Yo,
make sure me just want to know say nobody not come on me yard. Make sure say she don't know. You just come
I
to
don't
me.
think she know you, you know. If you don't know her, she don't know you because she don't really come out like that. Me doubt. Because that day there, I'm lucky to see her, bro. You understand me, I say? But we shall get her. Bless up yourself, you know. And thanks for the contribution. Go and do your thing, man.
Alright.
Call them.
Yeah, I call back one next woman in the cars. I have one next call for you.
Voice message.
So, you have 1 new message. First new message.
Like, seriously?
First time I hear this.
It's been a week now. It's been a week and I haven't heard a word from you. You know, answer none of my calls. You know, return my call. You don't reply to my message. I'm going to know that this would have happened. You know, I know this is why I never did want to get nobody in my life. I'm going to give you the chance. You're the first guy I ever gave a chance.
calm, man. Just relax, man. Just hear me out now. Listen to what if you say.
And I say, where you come for that morning? Where you come for?
Listen to this. Me just listen to the voice message properly and thing. Me never hear that, but me never know that much.
I've been trying to reach you ever since we've slept. Yeah. Yeah.
Just come meet me. Me go the up at the place up on close to a river, close to you. Cause that's me go do some business.
Listen, I don't want to see you. Honestly, I don't want to see you. I do not want to see you.
Just calm down, just calm down. Just come meet me up there, I will talk. You just want to have a nice conversation with you.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Yeah. I get what you're saying, yada, yada, yada. I'm not let nobody waste my time, and obviously, you're a waste of time. I just said, again, let me repeat myself. Obviously, you're a waste of time. Listen, I don't think I'll leave my house to come meet you anywhere. You know?
Somewhere where no noise, there's somewhere where we can just relax ourselves. Sometimes we just need to even look at the water and just have a conversation, yeah? Yeah, man. Please, just cool now, please.
Listen, where, and you only get a minute.
You understand? Some minute deserve. Just come there, make we talk, and then when we talk from there, so we see what's next. Alright?
Whatever. Just make sure so when we reach in and tell me the nonsense on my ears. I don't want to hear no sorry, I don't want to hear no excuses. So if that you really call me out of my house for, you could have more than message me that. You understand what I'm trying to say? So make sure you have something concrete. Make sure you have something concrete to tell me.
I'm going to wait for you.
Anyways, come on from my phone. I will meet you in 20 minutes. Okay? 20 minutes.
Wait, is it 20 minutes? Alright. You got it here?
Waste of time. Imagine you sleep with me and then after that you disappear, or you expect me to feel. And it's you take my virginity. What? I'm not seeing you.
Yeah, man, I'm here waiting. What are you talking about?
Which part? Straight?
Me see you. Just come straight. Why you look just look miserable, sir? Just come straight, man.
Okay. Now come.
I tell you to follow the water. Listen to the water. Here.
Hi. What is it?
You listen your phone, message you send me. And you can't go on like that.
What is that?
You can't go on like that, believe me. It can't be a case where you try to make it seem like say me wrong. You can't blame me.
The funny thing is, you know, you're selfish. Why did you do this? Imagine for the first time I have sex. You never know. I never act it. I know that. It never showed, but it was my first time having sex. I was going through a rough part in my life, and honestly, you came along. And I just never want to hold on to my pride no more. And I needed somebody in my life, so yes, I give it up to you early. But why did you do this to me? I just want you to explain that because right now, to me, I come here and start waste my time just for you to tell me foolish. So, answer my question.
Normally, and this is the honest truth, normally when a girl give it up so easy, right? First minute, first 5 minutes, me see you. Yes, we had a connection. Yes, it don't feel nice. But me never think say you wanna get so serious. And then again, you not even come enough. One little bit of come out. You understand? Some never think you can actually do nothing at all if something fit do go on. You understand what I say? So just understand, say, me just never take it serious. And when you call me, me I look upon it on a different level. As you are one of them girls.
Public. As mentioned before, yes, I know you never know me, I never know you. We never know each other. Basically, just call it so, yes. But as mentioned before, I was going through a rough patch in my life. Mm-hmm. You're the first guy I literally ever been. No, hold on. Me that got through a rough patch in my life, right? Yes, you came along, and my thing said, me having a guy in my life, probably my situation would have turned off. I not live nowhere. As somebody may catch with, and at the moment when I look, I just have it to say, listen, if I have a good guy and things work out and he can help take care of me, I can move out of the girl your house. So I risk it and give you my virginity. Honestly, that was what happened. I don't look kill this girl. I know it look away and it is embarrassing. And it made me look away.
So this ever happened before?
Yeah, listen me or not.
So you're
the first guy I ever sleep with. That's what I said. I'm sure you did see me, I believe.
So how you do it so good then? And I'm your first person.
You see? Yeah.
So you watch TV, you watch porn and something? How you know what to do?
Yes, I watch porn, but that's not the point. The point is, I didn't look a way out. That's the point.
So I'm your way out.
I never look for you, but the fact I like you, you like me, yes. And like I say, I catch with somebody. I don't have nobody to talk to, nobody to share my problems with. And you come along and we connect the same very moment. Remember, you say you're willing to sit down and listen to me talk about my problem. I just have it to say I find a guy. I have something concrete that I look for. Or would have had something concrete. As a matter of fact, you ever do a blood test? Or any test at all, because you seem disconnected with your health. And honestly, I feel away. I don't know which one out of the two. I don't know if I'm pregnant, or I don't know if I get some type of sickness. So I feel away, and that's why I call it, because I'm there a fret and I want to know, you ever do any type of test yet? And since you asked me about virginity, you ever take a virginity yet? Answer me.
Alright, so since we are talking truthful things and you are asking so much things and blood tests and all these things, normally if I get a girl pregnant, she wouldn't do a blood test. And she wouldn't, if she good, me know say me good. You understand? So it is a case where she do a blood test and she alright, me alright too.
You cannot live off of that.
What do you mean you cannot live off of that?
You cannot. And normally, it takes long for showing a men than women. So if you have any little thing, you're not going to know right away. But for we'll know. We'll start feel away, we'll see symptoms right away. So you can't go for just because you're a female of sex and she could do a test and it come out. Yes, it come out alright. That means you alright. Why you tell me a nonsense? I know so I'm not coming here to hear nonsense from you. I'm going to see the conversation I'm going to with. So basically, tell me what you call me so far, what you really want to say. Make it make sense.
Alright, listen to me now. If I never rate you, I want to respond to your message. If I never think so, maybe we can work it out, I wouldn't be here right now. Me there, so to make you know say I'm sorry for neglecting it, but as I said, the reason why I did it, because normally when you go out, if you go on a party and see one little nice girl and she says she want jokes, you know what I mean? And something go on tomorrow, I don't expect she to call my phone. And if she do call my phone, I not go bother respond certainly because we had a wonderful night and we just left it at you know, the night and we're done. But alright, listen to me. You can give me a chance to convince your heart again that I am the one that you found a connection with.
I don't know, I don't think so.
I'm not saying it's gonna happen right now. But you have to just allow me to knock at that door that you closed for me. Alright? So just give me a time will tell. And you will see me serious. Because them always say actions speak louder than words. Alright?
I'll think about it, you know. I have to think about this.
Please.
I'm not going to rush into nothing with you.
I respect the fact that you say I think about it. That alone is perfect for me.
Sure.
Alright? That alone works for me.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do now is carry back down.
Don't drop me at the gate, because I can't take the drama with she and she had bring news to my cousin. So if just drop me at the closest point and that if we talk after, I don't know.
Right on. I'm gonna make a difference. I'm gonna be the difference. I'm sorry. Alright? And if you're pregnant,
Touch me. Talk while you talk.
if you're pregnant, I'm gonna do it for you. Babe, no eviction me. You hear me? So this is as close as we can go to your house. Alright? Now come here.
No way you're ugly. You're not for
No. No, man. Open the door for you.
No, but I come act like a gentleman now. Excuse me.
No, but I want to be your gentleman. You know them say gentleman and boot, but we're not up on something like
It's later. Later.
What going on for?
Clap,
What going on for? Me want to know what I go on right here for now. Talk to me. Where you know this nigga you're from?
So make you tell me something.
Boy, all you can stay for last. My cousin come first. Where you know him from?
Your cousin?
The person when me I talk to, I'm actually glad to you get to see nobody you behave away and you make me free. Just stop now.
Sean, what you just say? What you just say?
You don't understand what you act like say or something wrong with you.
Embarrass me just easy now. Cousin, just easy now. I'm gonna talk to you.
Me for easy. We know this a nigga you're from, this a dirty boy ya.
I'm actually get the opportunity to introduce you to him. I don't understand why you behave so because it's the first year I meet him.
Can you prove that? You sure say the first me I meet him? You sure say me just have seen him? Because y'all, Sean! You see that dirty boy ya? If you ever know why me left him, me and him did that. Me and this a drunk cry did that. A dirty nigga. So I not tell, wait, me clean out me ears good cause I not tell her they tell me say. At this a man where me put on you what take up and make him breathe you. God almighty I breathe you. Sean, at this a man you breathe you. Me sorry for your condition. Me not no shampoo. Sean.
What make you make you cry now? So make you make you cry now?
Yeah.
Why you make it seem like say me because me have a bad relationship? We not just agree.
We not just agree if you not at.
Positive can't agree on one line so you go gash and feel fire gash. So me I tell you say because me you feel that means say me and she go feel.
But I never know you don't talk to my cousin.
Me never know she neither. Me never know see your cousin.
Sean,
Too much.
Sean.
And we just say, hey,
Shanika,
Sean.
you see all when I tell you yes or no?
come out of me
He
here.
tell me already.
me tell you when.
We not go feel see one girl when we have before
I'm
me.
money you went there with me for. I'm money, my things. Everything you call me about credit.
Hello.
Sean,
Stand up right there, sucker, you now.
get a little bit.
Stand up there, so. I don't call lean up like you know. Listen to me.
What make you go answer? What make you really go answer still?
If you ever know what this a nigga you do to me. If you ever know
How can you make you cry?
when me and him have, That's why me left him. Sean, you really got to take up the garbage?
Yeah, nah, man, me feel any better about the situation, you know?
You're not feel no better because me and you there one place to talk. And you know what you do? They try to disrespect me and insult me about me at 18. And it better me did there with one man. And that the day that God come right now if I lie me they tell. And that the day they go away. I'm gonna make him breed you. Why you never use protection, Sean? Eh? Your mama they are foreign. And me, she left her with me. I get one butterfoot girl. Fi take care of you. No wonder why the girl say she not trust you and her man. Me can't believe. So even though your body call, fi man, your mind never tell us if you think. Say, I wonder if I use protection because disease out there and baby out there. I'm not sure if this a man I want to take first time in people. I think it might shut you up. More friend in front of me. And make me catch run before you make me deal with this and nigga. What? Oi! Shine your backside, who the hell you think you be? You know say my mind tell me say you know say I'm my cousin. Dirty boy made it there and you know say my cousin and still go there with my cousin. You know say you son like a foot clot. Eh? Woman your backside. Eh? Why you go there with me cousin?
I never know say your cousin. As a matter of fact, why me can't there with her?
But me did there. All when we left you, if you know say my cousin want me can go there with her. It's a dirty man. Your family ram? Where you come from?
Yeah, family.
Me and no family, but she's my family and me did it. Even though we left, you know say my cousin you go there with the girl. And a matter of fact, you should have used protection. But you no care if she breed.
Who said me no care? So why am I here then? Why am I here if you not here?
Look here, I want another Canada man and eat the tree. God, he know make me walk right there. So yes, me wouldn't. Cause around there so me go figure walk. But God lean me here so fi see your drunk crop.
Walk her down and talk to her.
Walk her down. I me breeder.
I
I me breeder.
had a bad relationship. Eh? Me have a bad relationship. That don't make me worse. So you put me down now.
Dirty boy.
So you still
You breed me cousin. You go stand up to your responsibility. Cause you not left it for me.
What mean say left upon you?
Did you know that my little cousin is virgin? And you is the first man ever go sleep with her.
Me never know that.
The pitney I feel, and you breed her, and you better mind it. I mean, I want to see you again back in my life. It's me, I force her to care you got family code. God come right here, so you see what you did to me? You see, 18? Because even if you're 20, you will not want to mind your pitney, but let me tell you,
So, why you make she stay with that woman?
why?
You have so much space over here.
That enough for your business. Come out of family affair.
I bet some money you did for.
Remember what me used to do to you, you know? Remember what me used to do?
Money you did for, I bet you.
Money me do it for. Yeah. And so what?
Eh?
You have a problem with
I
that?
get an easy way out.
As long as I know for your money, me I take that. No have nothing to do with you.
Got my money again.
You know?
No,
Me go look. Me go look for
Money,
your
more, you know.
Money.
It's not the fact that me and your cousin there. It's because you can't get no more money from me. And that's your problem. You see, you're always up to
So public, me ask you a question. Talking God truth now, when God love up heaven. Why you did start getting money?
Because you pressure me.
That's why me start your bun. Sean,
What? Don't call me though.
you take man now, you start answer me like I say, how you feel like?
Me not trying to be disrespectful, but me no want you know chattings with nobody right now. Just leave me alone. This what? You don't embarrass me up this in front of what more you want. Sure. You're not even trying to be there for me. Mental. Every day you bring me down. Every single day. I remember feel worse about the situation. You could handle it better. You have to always be a hooligan and be boisterous about everything. And seem like you take it for a joke up on your face.
Go and feed me bread, cause me hungry. You finish talk?
So what you have to say? Because when I reach up, that's something
Not upon you, Sean.
after this.
If me want you to talk, you have to talk. Any question me ask you, have to answer. So better you shut up your clappers and listen. That's why you don't learn. When me used to talk to you, you hear me, but you don't listen. That's why you do not learn. See what I'm to you now? Belly. And me, I have to go take care of you. And force man, fi take care of you. And you come rank with me. Look how you little piece and tail girl. Look at you. Look there. Look how you. You know much dirty shit up pampers me take off of you. You think a little piece up yourself. And I know your mama travel girlfriend, you know. A long time, ancient days, from the devil was a boy, son, and now me have you. So if me give you to somebody for you stay there, and you feel that you reach the age of having whatever with man, you should have think. Use your head, Shan. Me not say enough to do. I mean, I not tell about no do's or no don'ts where you nothing do with man, you know. Because you're 18, me understand why you never use protection. That is my problem right now. Right now, you left me in a deep shit. Because when your mama hear about this, all this thing I go now, they can't chat about this and that. Think before you talk. You're very disrespectful. Look at you. You don't think a little things me do. Eh? For you? Eh? Shan, be careful of what you say to me, because you are 18. I not feel like you got enough, because I not going to prison for you. And I not make you dash your no belly. You're the go carry. You is going to become a mother.
You keep on saying I'm pregnant. I never say I'm pregnant. I tell you I feel away. I feel sick.
Hello?
It can't be one of the two things that
I not hear nothing. You was where you breathe. You not let no police call on you. Let me see in your eye. And shut up. Because we know about breed and pregnant or whatever. Me all on you. Me breathe 10 times. Let me see in your eye. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I'm manners. See it there? Look. See it there, Peel. You're pregnant. See it there? Watch out, watch out.
Mm-hmm. I don't want to hear.
Yeah, breed. The only reason why I not touch your belly is because that not make it. But it's in there. I mean, now care you going on doctor go dash away. You will never let that thing come out.
I never asked you for that either.
You go carry. And if you go behind me back, go do it and make that dirty foot boy there. Force you. If you go dash away, you will see for me and you. Come go on inside. Little bit of water. Go on in. Because girl don't make me have anything. Go on in. You walk and stamp. Me not even come up there. Go on up there to the woman. And if you tell her something in her yard, make sure you go and chat about when me come in and not even say that kid. No, you don't believe say little girl do that. Right, you know, Father God. If our mama turn a foreigner, you say she a breeding, me not get no more money, you know. They say you, watching me eye.
What with you?
You two?
What
No!
with you?
No! Not you two!
Yo, no slam no more doing at my place.
Yo, come on,
Me tired of you, know. Me sick and tired.
I'm tired of you to come out of my room now, please. Me not in a good mood. Come out of my room. Me I beg you.
What mean by come out? Are you your
Me
place?
not in a good mood. You know your
Every day you're not in a good mood. What with you?
Why me not need
You're
to
sick,
talk to you?
you're mad, you're crazy. What with you?
Me not need to talk to you.
What with you?
I'm a therapist. Are you a therapist?
Just shut up.
Come out of my room.
Listen,
Can
me
you
just
get
come here. Me come here
disrespectful?
to tell you say it's my place, so I can be disrespectful, not you. Me come here to tell you say no slam no more damn door in my damn place. This is not your house. This is not your house.
You said that already.
Me
Leave.
sick and tired of you.
Are you a scratch record? Leave.
Crosses.
You said what you said. Leave. Bigger crosses. Bigger germs. Leave.
No.
Grab me. I don't want no man. I don't want nobody to call and nobody me. No. Hello.
Hello, babe.
Don't babes me. And if you call me for complain about my cousin, don't complain to me because I'm stressed out right now. I just cannot bother.
You can listen to me. You can listen to what I am saying. So you're judging about what I'm saying.
Talk, please. Just make her get it over with.
Alright, listen to me. First, I'm very sorry for make you feel this way. Like you're doing something wrong and all these things, right? Next thing is that you can't blame me for certain things like you may know say you're causing that and you cannot blame me. You understand? But I was wondering to myself and say, if push comes to shove, and you're really pregnant, you want to do an abortion?
I know you don't come with this, you know. Where you bring this to me for? Abort the baby for what? For what reason?
I just want to know if certain questions are being asked, you know what to do. And
As a matter of
just
fact,
ask
as a matter of fact, come to think of it, I don't think I want a baby with you. You understand? So if it come to the no, me will go check how much how much it costs, and you're going to take that money to me, you see? I just need to find out.
I know how much it costs, it costs.
Yeah, you would have must know. You would have must know. So it come like you do this very often. You would have must know how much it costs for about a baby.
I think, no, but listen, there's Google, there's internet, there's, information we can get. Because Google can tell me, say, it's 35,000 for the cheapest one.
Alright, so you know what you're gonna do? You see that 35,000, you're going to take it to me. I'll go by myself and I'll abort the baby. Me no want you come with me. Me no want have nothing to do with you.
You don't have to go by yourself.
Me no want you not hear me? Me no want you come with me. We're not a couple. Me no have nothing to do with you. I'll go by myself. Just bring the money to me and then you can go to hell. And then we go my separate ways.
Why are you doing that to me? Why are you judging me like that? Why do that every time when a man come to a woman and talk to them about certain things? Make it sound like, say, them are the worst thing. We just want to close all the doors. We want to know what's the possibility. You understand? When you make it seem like, say, the worst thing ever become and say, put the options there. Remember now, you just realize they are really, like, thinking about it now, just to myself, they are really averting because remember when we reach it, we close them blood up on us.
So you realize that now. Why would I lie about it?
Did I say you're lying? Did I say you're lying?
Yeah, but you never know. You can't feel that. You can't feel it.
I never put it into perspective. I just say, where this come from and all these things. Why are you doing me like that? I really care about you always. I wouldn't be calling you. You never know that.
After you slept with me, you went MIA. I never hear back from you.
We talk about that already. We talk about it.
Yeah, so why you care now? That me I try wonder why you care now. And as a matter of fact, I did done say it a while ago, right? I don't think I want a relationship with you. Cause you been asleep with my cousin. I mean, you never know say I'm a cousin or that. I understand, so you don't have to explain that again. But the fact say you used to sleep with my cousin, I don't feel good about this and I don't want a relationship with you. I don't see a future with you. You understand? So just bring the money, come. Give me when I go do my abortion and you can go on with your business. I'm tired to say this.
Babe.
Stop babe.
Oh, yeah, my baby.
I don't have time for this, and that now swell up my head right now. That don't make me feel good. I want done with this, done with you, done with this. Go on about your ways. Let me know when you bring the money, come give me, okay? Please, may I beg you.
I'm going to bring you the money. I'll call you tomorrow. I'll bring the money and drop it off. Alright?
That's all I have to say now? Is that all?
No, I'm just saying, just give me a chance.
Public. I don't want a relationship with you. Stop. Have me repeat myself.
Alright. If I have to say, that to say.
Yeah, that me say and that me mean. And I just want to say I mean it.
Alright.
And as a matter of fact, you say you come give me the money tomorrow. No call my phone. Text me. I don't want to hear you. Don't call me. Okay, send a text. Bye. I don't know what kind of cross is this I call down upon myself. What this me do to myself, man? What this? Look who me I breed for. I don't even know if me I breed too, I could have some sickness in bring, come give me. The money me I take and go doctor, because I should have listened, because my cousin did right. I should have listened.
Yeah. Yes, Lord. Your name. Yeah. I have some friends, they don't believe in Jesus. They say they don't trust the color of his skin. I say the skin don't determine the anointing. Oh, it's it's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, it's the blood. It's the blood that flows from Calvary. Oh, there is power in the blood. There is power in the blood. The blood that flows from Calvary.